Not doing anything in the lawn today. There's a project I've been wanting to do, and I cannot wait to do it. Hang tight. All right, guys, so my job is I'm gonna take up all these bricks. All right, guys, so you see none of the brick is there anymore. None of the brick is around it anymore. And none of the brick is around this anymore. I think last year I bought like 30 or 40 bags of mulch. That's all she wrote for right now. Until next time, guys, I shall be back. What is going on, everybody? Hey, as you can see, I'm in another shirt stripe life, baby. Had to take off the sleeves because I was too huge. But anyway, guys, on a serious note, stop. About to get started on the sidewalk on the grass side. I got some sod that I took from the back that I don't care about that area too much. I needed like 33 feet, so about 3 inches long, well wide, 3 inches wide by 33 feet long. And I'm gonna see if they're gonna fit in there, and we'll go from there. I got the front flower bed done, mulch out, and I still need to work on the drain. But on the other side, on the grass part of the sidewalk, that's complete. Let me show you. And it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine, and it's gonna look good after a while. And I'll show you what I did to the side with the old mulch. Let's take a look. Reuse what you got, guys. Reduce, reuse, recycle, or something like that.
Be a Planeteer. Recycle. We do.
The power is yours.
I don't know, something like that. But all I had to do now is wait for it to really root. And we'll see what it looks like next month. Maybe in a couple weeks, 3 weeks. Hit it with some RGS, some Aerie, some Humic. Oh yeah, I have another round of Pro Peak coming up here in a minute for my fertilizer. It'll be my third one out of my 4th application. So I'm almost done with that. But I just got everything cleaned off and ready to go. What's going on, everybody? Hey, I'm back and ready to start. Picked up my mulch, picked up my drainage pipe. Got my little hook up here. I'm gonna hook my hose up down here, going down. And then fading down. As you can see, I started digging already. And then, as you can see, that pipe, I forgot, is going to this drainage right here. So this is filtering in to this one and heading out there. So I'm thinking at first was I could probably get away with a Y fitting at the end right there. And the mulch is back here. As you can see, got me some mulch. Tried something new this year, going with the Scott's black mulch. So we shall see. Also picked me up another hose, another sprinkler, and a little tripod sprinkler that I had before. So I'm gonna get back to it, guys. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. Hey, it is about 7 o'clock, and there's a lot of things that I did without you knowing about it. So obviously I got the mulch down, as you can see, but the downspout, see that I got that in there, hooked up to that. It goes all the way over there, and then it'll drain out there. But I didn't leave you guys out on everything. I have this bed to do right here, so I will be taking you guys with me on that one. I have some time to kill right now, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So hang tight. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the wonderful world of flower bed makeover. No lawn stuff today that I know of. We did the front lawn, or we did the front flower bed. Now we're working on the back. My job today, taking these out, bang. So once I do that, once I get those out of here, I'll probably transplant them somewhere else, and I'm gonna put these bad boys in its place, because this is what I've been wanting. Some roses. Got one coming in. Got a few coming in. Yeah, buddy. So that is the plan right now. So hang tight. All right, everybody. Finally, as you saw, I'm done planting the rose bushes, and I'm very optimistic that they will do very well. So give you another look at the finished product. So now I just need to get some more mulch put back there. That'll either be later today or it could be tomorrow. Who knows? Nobody really knows.